Let's make a Christmas card with Craftgenic. First, take a separate paper and follow the steps I'm doing here to make the drawing. We are sharing many kinds of crafting tutorials in our YouTube channel. If you are interested, make sure to subscribe us. So you can either draw this like I'm doing or check the description box for the printable version. Now we need to cut the different shapes from relevant colors and arrange them in a separate card. My greeting card size is 5 inches by 7 inches after folding. So here I'm cutting this craft paper for the background, dimensions little less than that. I'm using double-sided tape to paste this. And now take a separate card to write your wish and decorate it, and again paste with double-sided tape. Okay, now we are done. What do you think? Comment your ideas and subscribe for more.